Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw a laptop computer. We will this we will do this laptop computer in 8 basic steps, and let's begin with the first one. Okay, insert shapes a rectangle but with round edges. And first of all, height is 4.5, width is let's make it 7.5. Okay, and then shape fill, and we have to edit the shape outline. Shape fill, let's select the gray tone, and then shape outline, no outline. Okay, shape effects, 3D rotation, and we will do after that a bevel. And now let's select the bevel. It is here. Shape options, and let's change the top bevel to 10, height 5. And let's select the bottom bevel, 10 width and 5 point is the height. After that step, let's change the depth. Depth is 8 point is okay, and here is number 1. And let's continue. Shapes a rectangle but without round edges, no outline. Shape fill, let's select a blue tone, and okay, bevel, and 3D rotation, no bevel. 3D rotation is the same with the gray rectangle. Okay, gradient stops, let's change it, this tone, and a tone darker, and this is okay. And the gradient is okay here. Let's change the height. This time let's change the height 4 and width 7. Let's put it on the screen. Okay, I will copy it and paste it for the shape effects and shape fill. I will select the color now, or after the editing the shape you can select it to format, edit shape, change shape, and it is triangle now. I will turn it upside down. Okay, then after the selection we can change the color, but this time without any gradient stops, but we will add some transparency, gray, and let's change the transparency to 75%. Okay, we can put it in the screen too. Okay, and the part 4. To do the part 4, let's add shape, or we can copy the screen, format shape effects, and we will change the rotation, and we will change the height and width too. Top bevel, this bevel is okay, and bottom bevel, this is 10 point width and 5 point height is the same. We can use it, or this time it's more suitable, I think. 5 point width, 3 point height, and the depth size is 5 point, and it's okay now. Let's change the size, and we will add down a keyboard, but we will add a keyboard Okay. Here is our shape without outline. Bevel, no bevel, 3D rotation is okay. And when we change size to height and 6.5 is okay, I think. Okay, let's put it here. Okay. And number 6, we can add a mousepad. Let's copy it, paste it, format and outline. Outline is the same outline shape without no fill. Let's change the size to 1.5 height and 2 is the width. And let's put it here. We can change the keyboard position. Okay, and here is our laptop's base, and if you want you can group it after the selection, of course. Let's select again and we can group it. When you put it, it is in front of, so I will select the screen, cut and paste. Now you can paste the screen wherever you want. It is in front of everything. Okay, and now the last step is 7 mouse. So I will copy it and change the size and change the bevels. Top bevel, I will select this. Bottom bevel, I will select this one. And width height is okay. I will change the size of it 2 centimeters and 1 centimeters. And I will change the round edges. And this is more like a mouse now. And I will add the line in order to make the buttons of the mouse. Okay, I will change the size of this line. Let's try this 0.2, 0.3, and it's okay. Let's look closer. It's okay. I'll put it here. Okay, let's zoom out, and here is our laptop. You can change the position of the mouse, and after that we can group all together. Here's our laptop computer. And after this step, if you want to add some shape effects, for example shadow, you can add shadow by selecting the shapes, and I will select this shadow position. I select it to the mouse and it is okay now. If you want to change the background, you can change it from the design, format background, and solid fill and gradient fill. You can change it however you want. Okay, let's look at for the last time. Okay, see you on our next tutorial. Thank you for watching us.